The ISO 27001 lead implementer trainer has two different objectives. The first one is to show you or to let you practice the implementation of the ISMS, Information Security Management System, to qualify any organization to be ISO 27001 certified. Second objective is to let you get the certificate from the first attempt, because this course has a professional certificate. So also we qualify you to be certified, because if you got the knowledge but you are not certified, you are missing something. So it's important to work on those two different objectives in parallel. So let's talk about the training and what is the training about and what we will cover and how we will cover it. Because honestly speaking, the topic itself, it's quite boring. So if you just go through the topic regarding the CIA, the ISMS, the risk, and you just read about it, I don't think you will enjoy it a lot. But the way we will keep it enjoyable and you will get benefit from this training is to try to work as per use cases or work as per real scenarios. So the way we design the training is to teach you about the ISO 27001, but in a practical way. Instead of just, for example, explaining the gap assessment, we will show you how we are conducting the gap assessment realistically, how we conduct the risk, how we implement the ISMS. So I'll focus more about the practical part in a way that you will feel that you got real knowledge, not just theoretical knowledge, because, you know, security topics could be quite boring sometimes. So first of all, who's the target audience? Okay. I will keep it simple. Whoever wants to learn how to implement an information security management system in any organization and qualify this organization to be ISO certified, this will be useful for it. Okay. So even if you don't plan to get your company certified as ISO 27001, learning how to implement an ISMS is actually quite important. Because ISMS is not only a framework to qualify your company to get ISO, but it's a framework to comply with a lot of regulation, NIST, GDPR, ISR, NISA. So eventually you will know how to implement an ISMS, because this is actually, what can I say, depend on the type of organization, of the size of the organization. So it's something that you should know how to customize it. It's not only few controls where you will learn that I need to have an antivirus, I need to have a backup, I need to have a change management. It's not working like that. You need to understand the business very well. You need to understand what kind of information they have access to, what kind of risks they are facing. And then you need to customize the ISMS to be suitable for them. So what you need to keep in mind today is that the approach is the same, but the deliverable may change in one organization to another based on the type of business, based on the location, based on the size of the organization. Okay, so it's for anyone who want to learn how to implement ISO 27001.